Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for mid-month of May going towards the end of month. I've stopped doing the date-wise readings because people wait for things to happen in those particular days, and in tarot time is fluid. So I'd rather do free readings. So things, because things take their own time. Universe has its own time line, and not it doesn't follow our calendar or our timelines. So let's see, Gemini. So you have been working hard, probably for a job, probably for a relationship, and you were waiting for the communication to happen, which is going to happen mid-month, which is going to happen very soon. But you still are in a very pensive mode, in a very introspective mode. Let me see what you are thinking about, what you're indecisive about. So yes, you had options, like I said, and you were choosing. You were not able to choose between the two sides, but now you are ready to walk away. Though there are heavy emotions involved, you have decided to cut off, a certain thing, so because it didn't feel right to you, and you are very pretty clear what kind of offers are you wanting, and not what offers you don't want in your life, because somewhere you feel that the hard work has been a waste in this area. Let me see. I think it's decision time finally for you. Let me see what the major arcana cards have. Yes, moon. Something that is hidden from you. Maybe you are hiding something. Hidden emotions, intuitiveness, and quick changes. Like I said, you're closing off a cycle. You're finally deciding to walk away. A cycle will be closed. I think it will bring you quite peace. And also, I feel that you still have a unresolved emotional issue. Here also, we can see the moon, but you're still very calm even with that, and you are ready to move to a new cycle with the cycle closing, and you're very happy doing that. I feel it'll bring you peace. Let us see some love messages. So time for a love fest. Again, a cycle ends, so a new cycle is bound to begin. Your treasure is at hand. So it's very close. The new beginning is very close to you. You have what it takes. Again, so don't go by past things that didn't work, or that brought you disappointment. So I think it's the right time that you have the belief in you. Let the ones that need to go, so that good things and new things come your way. Let's see how you can handle it. Yes, determination. Even if you are two minds about leaving, which you still are, be determined and control your mind. It's very, very important for you, because Gemini, you tend to sway from here, one thing to another. So it's very important that if you've decided once, don't get fooled by, because there's a lot of emotions. Like I told you, don't get fooled by emotions. Be determined to move on. Be silent. Don't listen, or don't try to explain too much, because words can spoil certain things. And control your mind. Again, control your mind. Determination is the same thing. Hold your horses. If you have decided on something, stick to it. That's what the coming days of will have you doing. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great week, great days ahead. Bye bye.